guys. So my room number is 1109. So this is 11th floor and room number is 1109. So I think we're finally here. 1109. We have the card. All right. So then insert here. So upon entry, walay cheche boreche, you get the slot here for the card to turn everything on sa room. So you just insert the card para may power. This one is for the light sa hallway, kaning hallway. And this one is the switch for the bathroom, which is over there. Now over here, you get this very tall mirror, which is always nice. Nice, kayo diba? And then you got the double bed. Very nice. You got a small, nice table, bedside table, and an outlet, and the switch for the lights. So you got 2 pillows, and then you got the window and an amazing view of the Cebu Business Park. Look at that. Very, very nice view. From your bed, you can see the working desk, which is perfect, especially if you're working from home or if you're working while traveling. So this is perfect. So you got 2 bottles of water, free. And then over here, you got some, what do you call this? Hangers for your clothes. And you got enough compartment for your things and stuff. You get a nice working chair, which is perfect for the laptop later on. And then you got a welcome note from Hop In. So warm greetings from Hop In Hotel, Cebu City. Hello guys. Over here you got these, I think this is 40-inch color TV, complete with cable. So you got about dozens of channels over here. Very nice. And then the lady at the front desk told us that if we needed anything, you just message them via Viber, via chat. And it's online 24/7, which is really nice. And they have Wi-Fi free for all the users. So there's specific username for each room and then a password, which is really, really nice. Over here we got the safe. Always great if you're traveling with something really, really important or may mga need you kay nga i-keep safe. You get the trash can over here. So that's about it. Over here is a small control for the AC, air conditioning. So it's very easy to operate. You just press the power button twice and it turns on. So the aircon automatically turns on. So immediately you can feel na bubugnaw ng room. So if you want it to be really cold, you can just adjust temperature. So atong until 10 degrees. You can go mag cold and then just turn it off later. Now let's check out the bathroom. So let's turn it on first and then let's check it out. Nice. Looks really nice. Okay, so this is the sink. Get the faucet. Get this huge mirror. Very nice. You get this hair dryer. Perfect, because a lot of hotels do not have these, and if they do, they just store it somewhere like not even visible. So this is pretty nice because naana siya, install na siya daan. So we got the free tissue paper over here. You get some plastic for all your stuff. You get this towel for your toilet. You got the bidet, which is very, very important. Very nice. Over here, you got 2 towels. You get the shower head, which is nice. You get the free shampoo or body soap. I don't know what this is yet. And the shower, I believe this is hot and cold, so just, all right. Now, how do I turn it off? What the heck? Okay, so that's it. That was the shower, guys. That was a short tour of my room. Now, I'm gonna spend the rest of the day working on some deliverables. And then we'll explore the rest of the hotel later, and maybe tonight we'll check out, we'll have dinner at the other hotel, which is the Holiday Inn Hotel. And we're gonna check out their buffet. Okay, very nice buffet with overlooking. We have already tried it like a week ago, and now this is a completely different hotel, but the same building. But we'll probably go in there again for dinner. So Hop In Hotel is located here at the Cebu Business Park. It's perfect for backpackers, for overnight travelers, and even for those who are just in town for just a day or two. It's just a short distance from Ayala Center, Cebu. And as a matter of fact, from your room, you get to enjoy an amazing view of the Cebu Business Park. So Hop In Hotel has nice, spacious rooms. You get a free towel, a shampoo. The bathroom is nice. It even has a hair dryer. It has a nice working desk if you want to work while you're staying here. And most of all, it's very affordable. Actually, as a matter of fact, this is basically the most affordable accommodation that you can get right here at the Cebu Business Park. So if you're in town for leisure and a bit of business, so this is the perfect hotel for you. Check it out. So guys, right now I'm getting ready because we're having dinner at Sevii at the 7th floor. So yeah. We're on our way to dinner and we're very excited kay nagpagutom again.
Yes,
let's go. So we're going to the 7th floor for the all dining restaurant. Ito ang Sevii dining and drinks. Salad, macaroni.
Okay ko yan. Take.
Lamig kayo ng sauce dahil. Like spicy.
Kami talaga yung sauce.
Oh. Tempura. Let me rice. Oh. Let me lagay tinod. Wanna try? There.
Bantay lagi ba?
Seriously. I grabbed some more. Diba? Ang chicken, perfect siya. Perfect. Combo. Ano ilang chicken din pura. ito ang kaldereta.
Kasi kaldereta.
Dami. Noon niya mo order nung sa metro sa una sa food court sa Metro Colon. Reminds me of my childhood. Very yummy. Highly recommended guys. Now let's try the tempura. Tignan mo kayo kung ikuha ni. Yummy ang tempura.
Happy na.
Happy nilang buffet. Sa limited sa iba.
Actually.
Malaga. Ay pagkapili ang ilang selection and lami sa good tinood. The very last piece.
Hindi kasi nakapagod.
Chocolate drench
Kumukuhaan na.
fruits.
Nagdukuhaan na.
It's mango and then green apple.
Kaya kayo mablas.
Next up, mango. What kind of mango dessert is this? This is so good. This is so yummy. My pineapple tart. Guys, now I'm finally done with dessert, and now to end the night, peppermint tea. Smells like toothpaste. Good morning, guys. Now I'm getting ready for breakfast. So, like last night's buffet, we're going to Holiday Inn. Hop Inn guests are not served breakfast, but if you want, you can grab a bite sa Holiday Inn. So that's what we're doing today. So yeah, let's go. All right. So how was your night?
My night, it was good. I was quite surprised their air conditioning unit can turn down up to even 10 degrees Celsius.
Yeah. So we're back here. It's a Sevii dining and drinks. So this is what I got. Congee, pancakes, chorizo, scrambled egg, mac and cheese. Looks really yum. I got bacon. I got puto with mango and stroganoff beef right in the middle. Of course, my favorite, garden salad. So let's go, guys. The cheesy mac and cheese. This is good. This is good. Last night's carbonara was So guys, we're finally headed home. Thank you very much to Hop In Hotel for our wonderful stay. Highly recommended if you guys are looking for clean, comfortable, safe accommodation that's easy on the pocket. Right here at the Cebu Business Park, you should definitely check out Hop In Hotel. Bye, Hop In Hotel.